I see an Avanti. I want to go see that. Rarely see one of these. It looks like it might be a Survivor. Let's see. How many of you have heard of the Avanti? This is the 1963. Question for you. Is the Avanti an American-made car? Let me know in the comments. Look at this car and tell me whether this is an American-made car. This should give you the answer. Beautiful car. This is Chevelle. Has 8 tracks in the trunk with the hub caps that has spokes. All right, and now here's my favorite car of all times, 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Let's take a look at this one. Look at the lines. It's got a 427 in it. Big block. Look at the grill. It says, look, please don't touch. Color coordinated under the hood. Interior is beautiful. Love it. How many of you remember this car when you were young?